Opposition leader Philip Davis hit out at Prime Minister Dr. Hubert Minnis's national address on Friday, charging that it speaks to the Minnis administration's failure to craft a comprehensive plan to tackle a recent surge in cases and hospitalizations. He says Minnis's pleading with Bahamians to get vaccinated against COVID-19 makes no sense given that the country is facing a critical shortage of doses.
Despite increasingly anguished pleas from our hospitals and medical professionals, the government has been slow to respond to the crisis. The Minnis government never seems to have a plan. Instead of thoughtful and comprehensive preparation, they prefer to react and improvise. This is why we are facing a public health crisis without enough hospital beds, or nurses, or doctors, or vaccines, or public education.
Over 1,800 COVID-19 cases have been confirmed in the Bahamas in July, the worst month so far for the country in 2021. During his national address, Minnis said over 100,000 people have received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine in the Bahamas. He urged the public to be their brother's keepers by getting vaccinated.
We hope that long-promised additional doses do arrive soon. The government should better prepare for that moment with a public education initiative. The Prime Minister seems to believe that telling people not to be afraid of needles is sufficient public education, an approach that is arrogant and condescending.
Davis said a much better approach would be to make trusted medical professionals available to answer questions in a series of public education events. The opposition leader said he is grateful that the PM is no longer looking to send Bahamians on a cruise to the States for vaccination purposes.
We are grateful that the Prime Minister is no longer promising to crowd thousands of unvaccinated Bahamians on a boat to Florida, a current hotbed of rising Delta transmission. This was a reckless, crazy, dangerous idea, a way to spread the virus, not contain it. And we are all indebted to the responsible medical professionals who were able to talk him out of it.
Davis added that widespread testing remains critical. Reporting for the Guardian News Network, I'm Berthany McDermott.